In this video, we are going to see countries with the largest tropical rainforest losses in the year 2018. In this series, the first one is Brazil, over here, Brazil in South America. The second one is Democratic Republic of Congo, over here. It is in the continent Africa. The third one is Indonesia. So Indonesia is in the continent Asia and it is located over here. Next, Colombia. Colombia is in South America, over here. Next, Bolivia. Bolivia is again in South America, over here. Next, Malaysia. Malaysia is in the continent Asia, over here. Next, Peru. Peru is in the continent South America, over here. Next is Madagascar. Madagascar is in the continent Africa, over here. It's an island, over here. Next is, after Madagascar, it's Papua New Guinea. Papua New Guinea is the eastern part of the continent Australia. Last one is Cameroon. Cameroon is in the continent Africa, over here. It's Cameroon, Central Africa. It's Cameroon. By this, we come to know the 10 most hit countries due to rainforest losses in the year 2018. Thank you.